I just felt this crunch come against my head, and just this surge of pain just shot up towards my head, down towards my back, and this unbearable pain in my right arm. The crunch was just unbelievable, the force that came at me. And obviously I was in a vulnerable position with my head over the ball, and I just remember falling to the floor and just screaming. What I find difficult is that poor Corach was on the sideline as well. Corach was given a job as he was helping out doing water with the team. And I just can't imagine what that must have looked like for him.
You're trying to hold it together and you're trying to be positive for her, but the thought was that this is like where we'll be flown back to Ireland next week on a hospital bed. At the time, we didn't know if she'd ever walk again. At the time, like that we went to the hospital, she wasn't moving.